Connect Qmax to the heat pump. Qmax needs to be connected to the heat pump water-wise and electrical-wise. Disconnect water connection on the inlet and outlet of the heat pump. Some installations require temporary heat pump repositioning for testing and optimization procedures performed by Qmax. After they are complete, heat pump is positioned as it was before the procedure. This has no effect on testing and fine-tuning results and is conducted only due to technical reasons. Start connecting supplied hoses to your heat pump and to the Qmax. Supplied hoses are of various dimensions to fit each installation. We are starting here with a hose connection into the heat pump water inlet. Make sure that all water connections are tight. Bring Qmax to your heat pump. Continue in connecting water hoses onto the Qmax. In our case, Qmax water in first. Again, make sure water connection is tight. Now, Qmax water outlet needs to be connected. Effectively, we connect Qmax in between the filtration, or if you like, water supply, and the heat pump inlet. Let's check this. We have water supply from filtration going to the Qmax. From it, water goes directly to the heat pump. Now we need to connect supplied Qmax module with water temperature sensor. Module is to be connected onto the heat pump's water outlet. Again, make sure that water connections are tight. As a next step, we're going to connect Qmax water temperature sensor into heat pump's outlet hose. Take supplied temperature sensor. Please proceed as shown on the video. Tighten the matrix with supplied channel lock gently.